The Tibetan word for library is Penj. The Tibetan word for dictionary is Tsigd. The Tibetan word for school is Lobta. The Tibetan word for waxing moon is Yarngö Dawa. The Tibetan word for mask is Kare. The Tibetan word for film is Lognyen. The Tibetan word for village is Tongsip. The Tibetan word for happy is Kibo.